Okay, in this video, I'll show you guys how to solve one-step equations. And these are the fundamental steps. So it doesn't really matter how big your equation is in the first place. At the end of all the work, you're going to encounter one of these right here. And these are just the building blocks that you need to have. And I will also show you guys how you should show work, okay? Anyway, for the first one, we have x plus 3 is equal to 24. I know some of you guys can tell me the answer already without showing any work, but it's good to show work. And that's in fact the secret of how you can improve your math scores, okay? Anyway, x plus 3 is equal to 24. We have to get rid of the 3 so we can get the x by itself, right? To do so, we just have to do the opposite, so we subtract the 3. And we do it on both sides. This way, we can cross them out to be 0, and then we will just have x on the left-hand side, and we just have to work out 24 minus 3. So this is what we'll have to do. And we'll end up with 21 for the answer. X is equal to 21 for the first one. Now, for the second one, we have x minus 3 is equal to 24. X is right here, it's minus 3. Do the opposite. So we will have to add. The opposite of subtracting is that we add. We add 3 on both sides so that this and that will be cancelled. And then we get x by itself. And work this out. 24 plus 3, we get 27. Just like this. So adding and subtracting, they go back to back. If you are solving equation, when you had the adding situation, you have to subtract the number on both sides. Similarly, when you subtract it already, you have to add the number on both sides. Now, part C right here. This is 3 times x. When there's no operation in between, it means that we are multiplying. 3 times x is equal to 24. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we have to divide by 3 on both sides, and this is how we are going to do it. Divided by 3, write it down in the fraction form. This means divided by 3, okay? And then we do the same thing on the right-hand side. And we see 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 1 times x, we get x. And then we have to work this out. 24 divided by 3, we get 8. And that's the answer for this. Lastly, what if we have x divided by 3 already, and that's equal to 24? The opposite of division is multiplication. So we have to multiply. Let's multiply by 3. Let's write it down this way. 3 times this, and I will also put down 3 times that. This way, the 3 and 3 will cancel, and we just get the x by itself. And we have to work this out, right? So let me show you. 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12, like this. And then 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So at the end of all the work, we get x is equal to 72. And this right here is the answer for that. And these are just how we'll solve the one-step equation like this, because it only takes one step. But be sure you know this really, really well. These are the fundamentals. These are the building blocks for the bigger equations. But at the moment, this is it.